All right, teachers, let's talk some Google Classroom basics real quick. I have a lot of classes, but some of them are mine, some of them are not mine. When you first get in and you're ready to create a class, you're going to click this plus button and go to create a class. You'll fill in the name. You can put section, subject, and room number if you want. You don't have to. Just going to put all content here since this is a demo. All right, so you can change out your theme if you don't like your theme. So let's say this was for an English class, so I can pick that and it'll change it. If I want to upload a photo, I just have to have one saved on my computer and upload it. Let's go through some basics here. This is our stream. So the stream is basically like your announcement board. My kids, we like to use this kind of as our discussion board. So I'll put something up here. How was your spring break? What all did you do? And I'll post that, and then my students can go in and comment on it and leave their little comments. That's kind of how I use that. On this left-hand side, you'll see any assignments that you have assigned to kids and the due dates that are coming up, so you can monitor that. This is pretty much how it looks for students as well. On the stream, they've got that comment section in the middle, and then on the left-hand side is that upcoming due dates. So they should know if you've put a due date on it when it's due. This is really important up here. This is your class code, and it's really itty bitty and small. When you're actually doing this in a classroom and you want everyone to see it and be able to join all at once, if you click this little rectangle square, it makes it big. So just click that and it'll expand it. Everyone can see it, join from their phones. Google Classroom does have an app, and it's very user-friendly. So I like to have my kids use it on their phone. So we can switch over here into classwork. This is where we can add any kind of assignments and things of that nature. And we'll get into that in a different video. People right here. This is where I can go in and add some students. So I'm going to add one of my teammates for a student. She gave me permission to use him. So I'm going to send him an invite, and so then he'll get a little invitation. I'll switch over to his and refresh his. So now he has an invite to join my class. You don't have to do that for every student. You can give them a code and let them do the code. But if you have younger students, I would say probably 4th grade and younger, definitely give them the code. Or invite them to join. And if it's their first time doing it in 5th and 6th grade, you might want to invite them instead. And then you've got your special situations, like your special ed students and your 504 students that have a little harder time. Then we have this third column, which is grades, and we don't have any assignments yet. So we'll come back to that after I've added some assignments in. And show that to you. And that's pretty much how Google Classroom is laid out. It's just a platform. I can assign anything through G Suite, so Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, those types of things that are Google-owned items, Google items. But there are lots of other things that I can integrate into the platform, like YouTube videos and Padlets and other things too. So just explore it and take your time, master one thing, just one thing, and then move on from there.